Alright, hey, I'm Brandon here with i5 Dodge. Today we're going to go over some of the dash features that you have on the 2021 Ram. So here you have your trailer brake control for when you're towing a load that you're going to need to have brakes on your trailer. This is to lower the gain, and this is to raise the gain. Right here you have your traction control. This is something that you'd probably use in a mud road going up the hill. Your tow haul mode is when you're towing or hauling a heavier load. Right here is when you be backing your truck up to the trailer, so that way it's not using the automatic braking feature that it has. And on the front ones, for when you're trying to get into those tight spots, it turns the sensors off, so that way you're not auto braking with a load behind you. Alright, if you found this video helpful and the content great, feel free to like and subscribe.